beneath the fur, beneath the skin. A world of wonder lies within. Every muscle, every bone tells a story all its own. From wings that soar across the sky to fins that help the fish glide by, nature's designs begin to show the secrets living creatures know. Layer by layer we explore, opening nature's hidden door, learning how each part can be a piece of life's complexity. Learning through layers, discovering life, understanding how creatures thrive, from beating hearts to nervous systems. Every structure has its mission. Through anatomy we come to see the beauty of biodiversity, a journey filled with curiosity, unlocking nature's mystery. The skeleton provides the frame, muscles move with perfect aim, organs work both day and night, keeping every creature right. Studying pattern, shape and form, how animals adapt and transform. From tiny insects to giants tall,